Shower, what it is instead of the cascade, you're gonna you pick one hand and throw that ball over the top. Each ball that hits the hand, that's gonna go over the top. You need to learn this both ways. So in order to learn it, take two balls, like you learned the cascade. You're gonna throw one and throw, catch, but instead of throwing it under, throw it over. You're going to need to do this with both hands. So it's going to look like this. Or you can take it and do it with your left hand. And you're going to need this to, you're going to need to know that trick both ways to learn, what's it called? Juggler's tennis, which I'm going to do in my next video.